G'day everyone, Average Alexis here, hoping you're having a good one. And I thought, being that, like, I'm filming this before December, but I'm releasing the video at the start of December, I would show you guys an easy Christmas makeup slash face painting tutorial. I did this look for face painting for the Christmas launch for one of my jobs, and I thought it just looked really simplistic and really pretty. And it's just very easy to do. A lot of the focus is on the eyes and on the eyeshadow itself, but the rest of it kind of just adds to it. So yeah, I'm going to attempt to not get eyeshadow all over the bottom of this because I've already tested other products on my face. So I've already got my mascara and everything on, which is probably going to end in disaster. Did I say you could smudge? No, I did not. What? I don't know how that happened. Anyway, so yeah, I'm looking for this. It's over here. So I got some new brushes the other day. These ones all fit into the makeup cleaner, which me testing that out will be linked up there somewhere. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do some Christmas makeup because why not? I love new brushes. They're so pretty compared to mine because they're stanky and I didn't wash them. Anyway, so my go-to palette for this is my 120 color eyeshadow palette by Coastal Scents, if anyone ever was wondering. So with this particular look, what I have is, what I did last time was I did the face painting first. So I had the colors first, which were green, red, and blue. I went with, I don't know why I put blue in there, but I just liked it anyway. So what I do is I start off with my green as a base, and then I go with my blue, no wait, that's the wrong way around. I go red, then blue, then green, I think. Yeah, I can't remember. Anyway, I'm just gonna do this and yeah, we're gonna see. So the first blue I will be using is this one here that you can see that has been used a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully not spill too much of this on my face because that's what I do. Anyway. Okay, I know it looks a little bit weird right now, but I'm gonna go in and I'm going to soften this by blending. Oh my gosh. This is why I don't like to do my foundation before doing my eyeshadow, because I get it all under there. Anyway, yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean up the underneath here a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why does this look like this? Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna clean that up a little bit and I'll be back. Alright, so I've cleaned it up a little bit. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but I'm not finished yet. I'm gonna add a little bit of a lighter color up underneath my brows just to kind of highlight it a little bit. Which will be going in with a very, very, very light green. This one up here. And yeah, actually no, I changed my mind. This one down here, that's the one we're going to be going in with. And then I will get to the face painting. So yeah. I just realized how much that looks like Grinch green. Oh well. It's bothering me that one side, the red, is more than the other. That's a bit better. Okay, so now comes the really, really easy face painting part. So basically, I'm just going to give a quick rundown of what I do. I get green, red, and blue, and I go dot, 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 like all the way around like that. So it's kind of like a half incomplete infinity sign. That's what I mean. So as you can probably tell by now, I use, well, I've just nearly dropped it. Said it a few times, use green, blue, red. I'm gonna start with the green, and I've got my glitter paints as well to go. My red is kind of like real congealed and grungy and stuff, so I'm gonna put this pink one over the top of it and hope it turns out the right color. So yeah, here we go. And there you have it, a nice little Christmas themed face paint. I think the only reason it's Christmas themed is because of the colors, but like I don't care. I think it looks pretty and it's cute. So yeah, I swear I did something else with it. I don't know, I feel like something's missing. Oh yeah, that's what I did. I had red lipstick on, but I don't really feel like putting red lipstick on right now because it's buried under some other stuff. But yeah, nice, easy, little, simple Christmas face painting. Ugh, I have a really itchy nose right now, but I can't scratch it because it's like right there. Anyway, that's a wrap for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Believe in yourself and be you, and I will catch you in the next one. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any Christmassy makeup themed looks you want me to give a try, or any suggestions or anything like that. But yeah, bye guys.